2004 Cat 902 for you, 3204 Cat, natural mechanical for you. We're gonna take a quick walk around it. The Mike's gonna hop back in it and run the bucket up and down for you. Tires are really strong on this unit, almost what you would call original height tires, depending on who you talk to, what they call it. Body's a little banged up for you, but it is an 04. It runs, moves, does what it's supposed to do. Hydrostatic 2-speed trans, all the cylinders are dry, has a hydraulic quick disconnect bucket, third valve for you. Foot brakes are good, emergency brakes need a little love. Air-filled tires, Mike's gonna take it up and down for you. Again, 2004 Cat 902 right here at Arthur Trovey and Sons. Come on by, give us a call, stop by, we'll tell you all about it.